Uzbekistan's effort to transform its cotton industry is beginning to produce measurable results. Textile and garment exports grew from about $1.9 billion in 2019 to more than $3 billion by 2023, with a rising share coming from finished garments and processed textiles rather than raw cotton. This shift required building an entirely new industrial value chain. The first step was expanding spinning and weaving capacity, the process of turning raw cotton into yarn and fabric. Uzbekistan invested heavily in modern spinning mills equipped with machinery imported from countries such as Switzerland, Germany, and China. By 2023, the country had developed the capacity to process a significant portion of its cotton crop domestically instead of exporting it as raw fiber. But producing finished garments required a different skill set. Factories needed expertise in pattern making, sewing, quality control, and international sizing standards. To accelerate the transition, Uzbek firms recruited experienced managers from Turkey and Bangladesh, two countries with well-developed garment industries. Training programs were also established to develop local workers' skills in textile manufacturing. Another major hurdle was meeting global compliance standards. International brands like H&M, Zara, and Uniqlo require suppliers to meet strict environmental and labor regulations. Uzbek factories had to upgrade facilities, improve documentation systems, and pass independent audits covering everything from worker safety to wastewater treatment. Uzbekistan has several advantages in this competition. The country has a large domestic cotton supply, relatively competitive labor costs, and a government actively supporting textile investment. Few countries can complete the entire textile production process, from cotton fields to finished clothing, within their own borders. However, there are also challenges. Uzbekistan is landlocked, meaning exports must travel through neighboring countries to reach seaports, increasing shipping time and costs. Infrastructure and logistics networks still need improvement. The competition is intense. Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Turkey already dominate global garment exports with large-scale industries and established relationships with international brands. For Uzbekistan, long-term success will depend on identifying specialized niches where its cotton resources, regional location, and ongoing reforms can provide a competitive edge in the global textile market.